Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an existing lifecycle page in such a way that you do not lose your existing process steps or links. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the planning phase. So if I just scroll through to planning, I get to my swim lanes for my planning phase. So what I want to do on this specific page is just add an additional icon with text. So the first thing we have to do is to find this actual document on PPO. So there's a couple of ways that you can find it. If I just minimize my screen like this. Okay, so the first way is by document key. So you'll see here in the URL, there's a little number. So that's the key of the specific document in PPO. So if I want to go and find this file to edit it, I just go to my documents. Let me open that up. So I can either filter in my filter bar for type lifecycle. We generally save all our SVGs as a type of PPO lifecycle. So here you can see I've still got 46 items on the list. So I can either Control F, try and find it on this list, start typing in planning. Here it is over here. I'm going to drill into it. And then you'll see the URL is that 47. So if you didn't find it easily, you can drill into any document on PPO and just replace the key at the top with the one that you want to download. So I'm just popping in there 47, and it takes me to the 6-phase planning phase SVG. To make sure we don't lose any of our process steps, we download this existing SVG. So if I do that, I can now open up my Visio and find the file in my downloads folder. So let me do that. Downloads. When you first go to downloads, you're not going to see any items. You have to change the file type to SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, and then you open up your document. Okay, so it could be that you might want to get rid of some of the steps, but what I'm going to do is just add an additional icon with text, and I'm going to say insert pictures, and I've got one in my downloads folder, so I'm just going to pop that in there. So here is my image that I just want to add under detailed planning, and what I want to add is a link to a project template, MSP template. Now I just want to add some text to it, so let me just click on text. And here I want to say project plan template. I just want to change the sizing. I'm going to change it to Arial and 14 size font. And then what we need to do with this wording is just make it an image. So I'm going to copy it, right click, paste special into a picture. And here I have my wording for my template. I'm just going to delete that one. Very important that after you've made the change that you save. So I'm just going to go File, Save As. I'm going to put it back into my Downloads folder. And I'm going to select SVG. And I'm just going to save it over the previous one. There we go. Okay, so what we then do in PPO is to find that planning document and just edit it and replace it with this new document. So for me to get to that document again, just do this. I'm going to click into any one of these because I know my document key is 47. So here we go, 47. And the only thing I do here is I edit the existing document. So I'm just going to find it in my downloads folder. So here I have it over here and submit. So if I go back to my lifecycle page and I hit refresh, then you'll notice I have an additional icon at the bottom. And if I click onto my other process steps, you'll see that I still have all the information. I haven't lost anything. Same with the PMP link over here. I still have that. What I now want to do is just add an additional link onto this icon. So here I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to click on the icon where I want to put my new link. You'll see there's a process step that pops up on the right hand side. So yeah, I'm just going to say project plan template. You can give it a description. I'm just going to apply that change. And then I want to add a link to it. So here at the bottom, for my process step, I can click on the little plus sign. I can open the edit bar. I want to link it to an actual template that lives in PPO. So important that we just copy the relevant path. So that's the portion of the URL that you copy. Yeah, I can just pop in the link. I can say project plan template and apply that change. I can click on view. Again, if I click on any of my other process steps, I haven't lost anything, but I now have a new link on my project plan template icon. And that's how easy it is to edit an existing lifecycle page. Thanks for watching.